الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, just push it. Push it like this. Yes. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Okay. So let me give you a little introduction about myself. I did my associate degree in nursing and I did my bachelor's in mental health recovery. And now I just graduated from the Southern California University Health and Science. I did my naturopath, which called Ayurveda, which is the Indian medicine. So let me tell you about what is the naturopathic medicine. Is like we cleanse the body from inside. You take shower, you cleanse your body outside, but you have to cleanse or detoxify. It's really, really popular, detoxification. Many doctors, they are naturopathic doctors, they are giving some herbs, they are giving some capsules to detoxify your body from inside. Okay, so let me tell you about the history of the cupping. Actually, different religion and nation, they used to do the cupping in the different ways. Like leech therapy might be, some people, they know about the leech therapy. People, they used to put the leeches on their feet or different parts of the body. If they have a wounds or they have a acne or sometimes a cystic acne, they used to put some leeches to take it out it's also called the lymphatic drainage. So in Ayurveda, they also do the Rakta Moksha, because lymphatic system, Sheikh was talking about the underneath the skin, Allah make it our body really beautifully. So body have the lymphatic system in the superficial, maybe have the lots of layers of the skin, but superficial layer have, underneath the superficial layer of the skin, we have a lymphatic system, which is carry all the toxins, viruses, bacteria, and all the bad stuff is the waste product in your body. Because when you get sick, your lymphatic system get really inflamed. So that's how cupping helped you when we take it out. And back days, ancient Egyptian people, they used to use the cupping a lot for the pain relief, fever reducer, and many other problems of skin disease. They used to do the cupping. And as a Prophet ﷺ, we cannot deny Prophet ﷺ told us, it has the cure for many diseases. I mean, if I will start counting and naming the diseases, it will take morning until autoimmune disease. I have a MS patients, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, heart problems. If you have a heart murmur even, if you have a blood pressure high, diabetes, it has the cure for every single disease, but you have to do some session, you have to be persistent. The Sheikh also talked to the earlier about our food, because our food here with pesticides, antibiotics, that's why nowadays the younger kids, they are coming, they have a depression, mental ills. Even cupping is cure the lots of mental ills also. Depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and many other disease, anxiety. People have as a really common anxiety nowadays. It relaxes you, it will help you with the anxiety also. And different people, they use, like if you go to the Chinese medicine, they also have acupuncture, they also do the dry cupping. Dry cupping can help you, but Hijamah is best because we put the incisions on the superficial layer, we drain all the waste product from the body. So your body feel lighter, and this is the instant detoxification from your lymphatic nodes. When mostly Chinese people and other people, we do, I used to do in the clinic dry cupping, but it can stimulate your lymphatic system, but in the same time, it will help you with your muscle skeletal problems or pain you have. So it can remove that too. And let me talk about the...
Don't have to hold it. Just make it close to your mouth. So
it's not coming.
Yes, take it. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll make it up.
Yeah.
You can assume. Yeah.
Is this stubborn?
Yeah, let me see. Just a second. Just a second. Yes, I'm talking.
So...
Yes.
Okay. So I was talking about what is lymphatic system. Let me tell you what is lymphatic system. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, Ahsin taqweem. Definitely Allah ta'ala subhanahu wa ta'ala make it our beautiful body. And lymphatic system, when we eat food, and all the nutrients and all the vitamins go through your veins and arteries, and all the waste product dump into the lymphatic system. That's why lymphatic system have lots of waste product. So might be lots of people in America nowadays, they are doing the lymphatic drainage. It's the same thing. Lymphatic drainage, cupping, leech therapy, this is different name of the cupping. It's also known as a wet cupping. So these things really beneficial, and many disease can be cured. And believe me, this is really powerful. I saw lots of people, they have changed their lives, and they have inflammation, and it's reduced the inflammation, pain, arthritis, osteoarthritis, even cataract in the eyes. It can cure cataract, any kind of disease. The Sheikh was telling us about the Mughisa. Let me tell you what is Mughisa is in medical language. It's also called pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is the endocrine system we have. It regulates the hormones. When you have some kind of like blockage, or Sheikh talking about the jinn and shayateen or black magic or evil eye, I saw people have a like really high stagnation on their pituitary gland. It's like a blocked. Their energy, their power or chakra, also in Indian language Ayurveda, they also said this is energy plant when blocked. So might be you feel confused, you cannot concentrate on your prayers, might be you cannot pay attention to the things around you. So when it will open up the pituitary gland and the pineal gland, which is your third eye, this is also help you to with the depression, anxiety, panic attacks people have nowadays. It really help people. And it's insomnia. People have lots of people, they come say we cannot sleep proper at night. So it is really beneficial. People have the insomnia. So it helps in the insomnia, mental disorder, physical disorder. And beauty of the hijama is that it cannot only cure your physical disease, it's also spiritually cleanse you.
Yeah.
That's why Prophet ﷺ said, shayateen runs in your blood.
Yeah.
So when Ruqya combination and the hijama combination is really beneficial for the people, and it can cure many spiritual disease and the physical disease. Sometimes Sheikh Jumma, he called me, and people have some kind of problems, the spiritual problems, and he start doing Ruqya, and when I put it the kahil cup, and people feel so relaxed. So I will nowadays the people, even young kids, they have an asthma attack. I'm doing for 2 years, years old kids, they have an asthma attack. It can cure the lung disease, it detoxify your liver, it detoxify your kidney. It can cure many disease. I cannot, if I will talk about this disease, it's, it will be the morning, and I will not gonna stop. Even ear infection. Nowadays, lots of people have the sinus problems. Sinus infection is going on. Everybody's talking about we have a sinus infection, and people come to me. So I do hijama, and it's release them. It will help them to even infection, bronchitis attack, fever, because it will instant take it out your whatever bacteria and viruses infection going on in your lymph nodes. When we take it out, it helps you immediately. I was 2 years ago in my country, and my sister, I was about to take my flight, and my sister she have a chills. She said, I cannot go to drop you at the airport, and she said, I have really bad chills. I hold her, I said, come here. I put it just 2 cups on her, and she said, my chills are gone. And I have no fever. She was feeling she have a fever, might be. So it is really helpful with the fever, any kind of fever. Even it's really good for babies. I put it really 0 cups, just 1 cut, and take it a little lymphatic drainage. It will help them a lot. Thank you so much. This is my information. If you have any question, you guys can ask.
Finished now? Any question, Hijamah?
How much you charge for that?
Charging is depend. If you come to my house, if I come to house, there's a different charges, because I used to work in the California Hijama clinic for 5 years, and during the pandemic it's closed, so I privately, nowadays I'm working private. So I take some patient at home. It depends. Sometimes I go to the people. What?
Where is your home?
I'm living in Houghton.
Pardon?
Houghton.
What?
Yeah.
The question, Sister Aberah, if you allow me to ask you a question. What, is Hijamah benefiting the body, like the immune system of the body?
Oh yeah,
Can you tell us about
definitely.
that?
100%. It's enhanced because we are not giving you any medication. We are taking the waste product from your body, so definitely is enhancing your immune system. And body heal itself. Subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are not giving you any side effect medication or anything. We just draining your body, taking out some blood from the bad blood from the body, which is carry the toxins and the waste product and the virus and bacteria. Your body feels so light. After first hijama, people sometimes they are sleeping on the hijama bed. They said we cannot go, we are so relaxed. You know, our body is so light. You know, people they feel so good. I have some patient here also, they are testimonial here.
If we arrange 4 or 5 people.
4 or 5, listen, I mean, nowadays people they said, oh, we make it a group of 5-10 people, Aberah come. You know, this is not easy work. And Hijamah will tell you, it's not easy at all. You know, I have to read, and sometimes I spiritually get affected with the people because I don't know what you have. You know, that's why I'm scared of Hijamah. You know, sometimes people have a really like bad energies with them.
That's fact.
And sometimes it affect me. So I take like 1-2 people, you know, I concentrate, I listen to the people, what they have. So I completely put focus. This is not like a, you know, like Friday market or farmers market, you are doing lots of people and no. Because you have to keep your hygiene, cleanness, new blade, cups I throw in the trash. I never use that cup again. So you have to do really like hygienic way the hijama. Otherwise you can harm the patient if any bacteria, virus go inside through the blade. So you have to hijama means to cut, and the healing is in the cut actually. The healing is superficial. If somebody is cutting your, and I think back there Hijamah was telling me his experience in somewhere in Palestine, somebody chopped his skin and all fake fat came out. So it leaves the scar for 20 years. No, Hijamah is really delicate, superficial cuts. So only lymphatic drainage happen. Even you cannot see the cuts is right there. So it should be. Some people they are doing hijama, lots of people doing hijama in the clinic. They said, oh, this guy did something wrong with me. Sister Aberah, can you fix it? I said, no. Because whatever that person did that, because if they did cut the deep cut, might be they can cut your muscle. Might be they cut your veins and arteries. So it will draining your good blood coming out. Like when you go to the doctor, you know, vein puncture here. So they are taking your hormones, checking the good blood. Arteries and veins are carrying the good blood. And it is, don't think that way, lymphatic system, it's also part of your body, this blood. So when people are anemia, especially the women have the anemia, so I have to see. I do medical hijama. I don't do like people, they follow lots of cuts, thousands of cuts in a 1 cup. No, I according to the person, their body. If the older person, 90 years old, I have to be really careful. Stagnation, where is the bad lymph nodes is right there. I have to see the cups. I have put it more cuts there so they can drain and it can, you know, heal that area. Or pains, if somebody have the arthritis. So I have to check, I can put it like some people are so skinny. So you have to go according to the body. You cannot put it one hijama for all. It's different hijama for everybody.
How long the procedure takes?
first visit, because I have to take the history, like Hijamah said, I have to take history, what's the problem exactly, if you have any spiritual problem, somebody told you, so please open up with me.
The blood pressure also.
Yeah, blood pressure. Yeah. How's your blood pressure? If you're
diabetic also.
Yeah, diabetic also. But you know, diabetes people, I did it.
If we come to your house, how much you charge?
$100. $100. Yeah.
It's not a big deal for the Hajj.
Yeah.
Aberah, is that too much benefit for the people that have a heart problem, diabetes, mental problem, all that? Why don't go after the hospital? This number one American that all these diseases, so you can have big business. Here, nobody gonna do it.
I will tell you something. There is some of the actors and in Hollywood now, and the people of the sports in America, they are doing hijama now. I saw them.
Yeah.
Yes. People now, they're turning their
Justin
face to
Bieber.
this. America now, they are not even Muslims.
Hollywood.
Yeah,
Lots of, athletes.
diseases, you know. So you can help all the people, you know, in the hospital. They don't take medication because give them medication.
You know, it's all about people's belief.
They want you to take medication.
Because
She wanna stop their business.
even, you know, nowadays people, they are coming to me and I told people you have to be vaccination. Let me talk about the vaccination. Vaccination, even bad effect of the vaccination people have nowadays on their body. What?
You do what? I do hijama since I was 25 years. Every 6 months I make it. I never stop, yes. Not one time. يعني I make it twice a year since I was 25. And I'm 53 now.
عشان كده هو شباب.
شباب كباب أيوه. طيب, somebody asking me a question, Sister Aberah. Is hijama painful? يعني when somebody he asking me, Sheikh, is scary? Is painful?
No, I don't think so. It's for first time, lots of women actually get scared with might be really painful. I told them, you know, when we put it the suction cupping, definitely is pain, yes, because I'm holding your muscle and skin, the superficial, and it's when it get numb, skin get numb. When I cut, some people don't feel.
No feeling.
And some first time hijama, I see people, they get scared. They want to do more hijama. They come back to me again and again. It's amazing. You know, they come every 6 months, every 3 months, every second month. They come to me.
Brother Ahmed has a question.
After you do this, is there any chance to have a skin disease like asthma or something, any risk? That's one question. And second one is it for everybody? Or there are certain people that cannot do that, they have some problem or something?
Yeah, some people, like if they are really anemic, they have only bones and skull, you know. If they have a really skinny people, but at least they have some margin, you know, because nowadays lymphatic system, some people, they come to me, Aberah, I want to do 1 or 2 cup. I said, okay, I will do that. Just give me just for the sunnah. They perform the sunnah. Prophet Sallallahu, they said, so I do that for them, you know. They said, we don't want to put it lots of cup, but some people, they told me the disease, yeah, I have this disease. I have a experience with the Sheikh Hijamah friend, I think their family, and he have a 500 and he was so have an anxiety attack, and Sheikh Hijamah checked his diabetes and he have, I think, 500 something.
Yes.
And after subhanallah, after the hijama, he have a 220.
Yeah.
He get really calm and relaxed.
So the first question was, once you do it, is there any risk having skin disease or problem with the skin?
No, you have to be really you have to do really carefully with the hygienic. You have to I use the alcohol wipes. First clean the skin and put it the new cups. It is sterilized cup, sterilized new blade, and it have to be wiped out and clean it, and I put it the oil, black seed oil and the olive oil, so no bacteria, virus can go in. So.
Any question, يا جماعة? يا شيخ brothers.
Yeah, asthma patient. Babies, 2 years babies, 4 years kids, they have autism. I did hijama for them. Actually, nowadays the kids have the weather is keep changing. The rainy season, then cold, and then, you know, it's look like a summer we have. So in this season, mostly kids, they have an asthma attack really bad. So when you go to the doctor, they will give you any kind of steroids. They will give you nebulizer. They will give you antibiotic, and it's not good for the babies. You know, so that's why some people, they like hijama, especially the Arabs I saw. Arab really know about hijama. They like the hijama. I said, Aberah, can you help my son, 2 years old? And I did it. I put it some oil, just 1 cup. The baby has so much inflammation when I saw. You know, your body is acidic. All the disease, when you have an acidic body, your pH balance is abnormal, is go to the too much alkaline or too much acidic. It can create any disease in your body. So make it your pH balance normal. Always take some alkaline water or alkaline, you know, like apple cider vinegar, make you alkaline. Fruits, vegetable, more add, and keep away yourself from the lots of meat. So, yeah. Just 1 or 2, not more than that. For the kids, we cannot do it. Is an adult, then I will tell them they have a chronic asthma from the childhood and they are 50 years old. Then I will tell them do it 3 sessions, consecutive 3 months, second month, third month, and then give a gap, and they are getting better, and I give them some naturopath medicine also, so it helping them. So might be they don't need it, and some people, they said, Aberah, I have no attack after 6 months or 1 year, I have no attacks, I did hijama. That's what people told me.
Brother Abdul.
Yeah, definitely. Knee pain, knee injury, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, any kind of bone inflammation. Yes, it helps you. It's depend. I have to see. You know?
Must evaluate it. Your sister
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
I mean, I suggest people, but mostly people, some people they follow, they said they have a really, after the hijama and whatever, I give them the diet plan and the lifestyle, if they follow, they said they feel great. Like vitamin D nowadays, hijama cannot increase your vitamin D. You have to take with the nature, you know. That's why I told people, some kind of certain foods you have to take it, you have to eat it to increase your vitamin D. Your blood, if you are lacking in blood or anemia you have, so you have to take some certain kind of fruits to eat them to increase your blood level. Like honey water is really good to increase your, I told many ladies.
Honey water?
Yeah, honey water. Just 1 teaspoon of honey in 1 glass of water early in the morning.
Do you know Rasulullah used to do that? That's why I'm asking. Every morning Rasulullah used to
Because
put the honey in the
honey-
water and he used to drink. He never take the honey because he said sharab. Sharab means you have to put it in water.
Yeah.
Allah said sharabun mukhtalifun alwan. So you have to put the honey in water to drink. Don't eat the honey like this.
See,
Yeah.
my teacher used to tell me the honey,
Yeah.
if you take it in the honey in the hot water, those people have a lung disease, they can take, man can also take it.
Make
It
it
will
warm.
help your infections. It has the good bacteria, it has the probiotic, it has the antibiotic. So it's really good for your gut. So take honey. Nowadays, I told people, please take every morning honey, so you will be not get infected with your sinuses because of the changes the weather. So many things you can do it, and you know it will help you to maintain your diet and lifestyle is really important.
Okay.
You don't need any
Any
medication.
more question? Brother.
Yeah, go.
Sheikh?
Yeah, when you take honey water with the hot water, it will reduce your
It's good.
weight. If somebody is really skinny, I told them take in the cold water, the honey. So it will increase the weight. So honey works like that with the cold and warm water. But no, never cook the honey and don't take it just lukewarm water, because you will lose all the bacteria and good antibiotics from it. Prebiotic it has it. So take early in the morning. Don't take in the tea, because if you're taking in the tea or caffeine, it will ruin and the chemical reaction happen. You know, so don't take it. Like take the way of Prophet. See the changes in your life. Just take 1 week honey, you will see the big changes in your life.
With warm water in the morning. Rasulullah used to do that. Yeah, hadith,
Yeah.
Any question?
Yeah, fasting, Prophet some used to do. Yeah, fasting is good, but some people have just low blood pressure and they have a low diabetes, lower their sugar. So I told them take some dates and water before coming to me. So, I mean, depend. I mean, early morning is best. Early morning is best if you do fasting and you have a blood level is good and you are not that, anemic or something cannot happen to you, because some people, women mostly, I told them eat something and come after 3 to 4 hours, because your food digestion happened 3 to 4 hours. After that come and do hijama, so they will feel better. Okay?
Any more questions? There is a question, Sister Aberah. If somebody, his wife giving him hard time, is hijama can benefit if she...
Wife is giving hard time, but everything I told them, it's not a joke, but for me, if your wife is a hormonal imbalance or something going on,
listen to this.
so might be something hormonal changes going on. So might be she need hijama, might be
She needs hijama. A lot of hijama, Sister Aberah. Okay, that's it.
Okay,
No
thank
more
you so
questions.
much for
Jazakallah khair.
inviting me. Jazakallah khairan kaseera, Sheikh, for
Jazakumullah khair,
inviting
Sister
me.
Aberah. Thank you very much for coming, and I wish inshallah that will not be the end inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you. And thank you everybody for coming inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.
I just did it in Pakistan when I go.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah.
And very good. It's true. My back pain
Yes,
is gone.
yes. That's why I told you.